नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Sunita Bhati, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I am teaching you Advanced Java Programming, and this paper belongs to BTech 6th semester. And in our earlier class, I have discussed about the button, how to create a button, and what is event handling, what are the various events. Okay, now in our today's session, I will discuss about AWT button example with action listener, and how to create a label, a AWT label, and its action listener. So let's start the topic. Okay. Uh, First of all, Java AWT button example with action listener. So in this program, first of all, we are importing AWT package. Import java.awt.asterisk semicolon. This is the way to import AWT package. The next is sorry. The next is import java.awt.event.asterisk semicolon. In this statement, we are importing event package, and then we are creating a class, public class, that is button example. The name we are putting here, button example. Class name is button example, which is user defined. We are giving this name here. So public class type is public, and class, this is a class. So we are using here class keyword and single space giving the name button example. Now we are starting opening braces. This is the class body. This shows the starting of class body. Okay, now we are creating a main method. This is very essential method, which is must in every Java program. So I already discussed about this main method in our earlier classes, how to create this main method. So we are writing here main method, public static void main, opening parenthesis pair. We are passing in, because this is a method, so we are passing the arguments, string type argument args. This is the syntax of main method. Now we are starting its body, opening braces. Now in this method, we are creating a frame object. Frame is a class, AWT class, and F is the object of this class. This equals to new keyword, again frame class name, and we are passing string value here, button example. Now semicolon. So what is going to perform here in this statement? We are creating a frame object F. A frame object is creating in memory, and its title is, frame title is button example. Now the next step is final text field. Text field is the class, final is a keyword, tf is the object, equals to new text field class name, or parenthesis pair semicolon. Means here we are creating text field object. This is final, because we are using here final keyword. So this text field is final, this name is final. Okay, now we are setting bounds of text field. Tf dot set bounds method is calling here. Now we are passing 4 arguments here. Distance from x axis is 50, distance from y axis is 50, width of text field is 150, and height is 20. Okay, now in the next statement, we are creating a button object B. So we are using here button class and giving object name as B, equals to new keyword है, and again using button class name and passing string value as an argument. Click here, semicolon. In this statement, B button is creating in the memory and its label is click here. Button label is click here. Now, in the next statement, button B is calling set bound method, and we are setting bounds for the button 50, 100, 60, 30. X distance from x-axis is 50, distance from y-axis is 100, width is 60, and height is 30. So these are the bounds for button B object. Okay. Now in the next step, B button dot this B object is calling action listener method. Add action listener. We are adding action listener method to this button. Okay, so we are passing argument in this method new, using new keyword. New, we are passing the object, so new keyword we are using new. Our class name is action listener and parenthesis pair. So we are passing the object here. Now we are starting body, and what we are going to do, we are defining action performed. When you click on the B button, what action will be performed, you are defining here in this action listener method. So what is the statement to define this? You have to make action perform method. Public type का है ये, public void action perform method. ये method का नाम है action perform. We are passing argument action event object E. Now we are creating its body, and what we are doing here, we are setting the text value welcome to Java point, Java T point, double quotation. Okay. TF is the text field where you want to show this text. We are setting TF dot set text, means we are setting this text value into this TF field. Now semicolon, and we are closing this, the body of this action perform method. Now this body is, we are closing this body of action listener method, this, and then at last we are closing the parenthesis pair of this action listener method, add action listener method here, and semicolon. So what is going to be performed here, what we have done here, we added an action listener method to B button. Okay, when any event performed on B button, then this method automatically calls and execute this statement. Okay, now in the next step, we are adding button B and text field to frame F. Okay, F dot add method is calling, F is frame is calling add method, and we are passing B object, button object. So this B button object added to this frame F. Now in this statement, TF text field object added to frame field, added to this frame F. Now we are setting the size of the frame, F dot set size 400 by 400, width and height is 400 for the frame. Now F dot set layout method is calling, and we are passing null because we are not setting any layout manager. So this is null. At last, we have to call set visible method for frame object, because this method will show this frame on the screen. We are passing here true, set visible value true. Then this frame F will appear on the screen when this program will be executed. Okay, so this is all about the action listener method on B button. So this is the output, this is the frame, this and the button example is the title of the frame, and this is button and its label is click here. When you, and this is text box, when you click on the button, this text will appear on the in the text field. Okay, this is all about this. This is all about this example, how we use action listener method with button class or button object. Now the next is Java AWT label. How we can create a label, AWT label in our program. Okay, so it is very simple because we have learned about how to create a button using button class. So how to create a label, it is very simple. We have to use label class. The object of label class is a component for placing text in a container. What is it? The use of the label? Label shows a text value. Okay, if you want to show some text on the container, you can use label component. Okay, it is used to display a single line of read-only text. You can place read-only text over this label. The text can be changed by an application, but user cannot edit it directly. Okay. By programming, it can be changed. Label values can be changed, but user cannot change directly label value. Okay. Now, we are taking an example how to create a label in our program. First of all, we are importing AWT package. Import java.awt.asterisk. Now we are creating a class name is label example, and we are starting the body of this class. Now we are making main method here, public static void main, and passing argument string args array, and starting the main method body. In this main method, what we are going to do, we are creating a frame object f. You know how to create a frame object because in earlier examples we have discussed so many times how to create a frame object. So this is frame class, this is an object of frame, and equals to new keyword frame class name, and we are passing this label. This title value, string value है ये label example. This is title of the frame f. Now we are creating two labels, L1 and L2. Label is the class, and L1 and comma L2 semicolon. These are the two object reference. Now we are allocating memory to L1 and L2. Okay, so how to allocate memory? L1 equals to new keyword use करेंगे. Now class name label and passing label value. Label value string value, that is double quotation में हम pass करेंगे first label. Okay, now semicolon. And now we are setting set bound method for label. Means through this set bound method we will decide this label will appear on the frame at which position, and what will be the width and height of the label one L1. Okay, so L1 dot set bounds 50, 100, 100, 30. 50 is distance from x-axis, 100 distance from y-axis. This 100 width of label L1, and 30 is height of label L1. Now again we are allocating memory to L2 object. This is L2 label equals to new keyword label class name and passing arguments string value, that is label value, which appears on the label, double quotation में second label. Now semicolon. Again we are calling set mount method for L2 object, and we are setting the bounds value 50, 150, 100, 30, and semicolon. Now these both the labels L1 and L2 we are adding to F frame, f dot add L1 and f dot add L2, semicolon. We have to put semicolon here. Both the statements are different, so f dot add L1 semicolon, f dot add L2 semicolon. Okay. After adding, we are setting the size of frame 400 by 400, and set layout method is null, and we are showing f frame on the screen. Set visible method is true, so it will appear on the screen. Okay, so now we are closing. Now we are closing this main method body, and then after that we are closing this class body. Now we will execute this program, and this will be the output. Output will be like this. This is a frame, and frame title is label example. There are two labels, first label and second label. Okay, these are two labels which we have added to this frame. Clear? So this is all about our today's class. If you have any query, you can contact me. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.